Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. In this brand new episode, let me bring before you the trading strategy in USDINR for the trading day 4th January 2023. So before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell my viewers that trading in currency is subjected to risk. So take your own advice before investing. So now, as you can see from the chart, let me bring before you the trading levels for today. So now firstly, how INR traded in the past 1 week is within a very small range. So you can see, if I mark it there, you can see 82.54 on the lower side, and you can also see almost touching 83.05 on the upside. So it has been trading in this small range continuously for almost a month now. So you can see, if you go back, it took support at around 82.60, and previously so many times you can see it has fallen to 82.60, 82.54 many a times. So 82.54 will be a major support, and on the upper side, so you can see previously, so many a time 82.93 has been the resistance. So many a time. So now what you can do, how you should proceed with your trade. Now currently rupee USD INR pair is trading at around 82.78. So this is the level. So how you should proceed with your trade today? So if INR opens above 82.75, 82.75 will be the pivot. So above that, if it opens, uh, buy USD INR for a target of 83. So 83 and above you can have a target. But if it is continuously trading below, so there is a very important level 82.73. If it trades below this, so you can have a target of 82.60. So range is not yet broken. So neither on the upside nor on the lower side. So it has been continuously trading in this range. You can see. So range is this. So this is the range that is trading for almost a month now. Now traders, be very cautious. If it is trading below 82.60 and if it breaks 82.53, there will be a major fall to 82.20. But if it takes out the resistance at around 83, you can be assured that it can even touch 83.30, and USD INR pair will be at all time low. Since it is the beginning of the year, the volume in the market has been very low. It is trading in a very thin volume. Yeah, so this is the trading strategy for USD INR. So 82.75 is the pivot. If it is continuously trading above that, you can be assured that the trade will be for buying. If it is trading below 82.73, it can fall to a level of 82.60, 82.55. But for all people who want to take a positional trade, wait for 82.53 to break. then you can have 82.20 levels. So buy only below 82.53 to 50. And those who want to take positional trade on the higher side, wait for 82.93 to break. Yeah, for a target of 83.30. So this should be your trading strategy for today. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So this is the trading strategy for 4th January. So thank you.